What's up, guys? I had to cut the last video in half because YouTube won't let me upload longer than 15 minutes yet, so this is the latter half of that first video. Enjoy!
So I think our first goal, and I think the goal for this stream will be to obtain a teepee, just attain a hut for me to live in, for me to sleep in, so I don't have to do this, walk around in fear of my own coming demise at any point in time. For that we need ground resin, dried hide. Can I grind that myself? I can. So I have to make a millstone, which is all of this. Fuck. This might be harder than I thought. And I need a fluid bladder. Which is brown dye and ink sac. Ink sac I can get from sifting. Need stage 2 first? Is there an easier one? Yes, there is. Survivor Strain. Plus a... Cotton. Do I have to go cotton farming? I might have to go cotton farming. It's not something I figured I'd have to do today, but I guess we'll have to go find some copper and plant it along our shoreline. I should make a copper. No, I need a hoe, not a copper. What the fuck? No, I'm going insane. It's the desperate loneliness because no one will talk to me in chat. Also, like 2 people here, and one of them is me. Caveman make hoe? Is there no hoe? There isn't! How do I make farmland? I have to make dirt and bone meal. I can grind up my death compass? Well, I haven't died yet because I'm such a Sigma gamer on that Sigma gamer grind set. But, you know, if I do die, I will keep that in mind, which definitely will never happen because I am the best Minecraft player to ever live. Hands down. Under no circumstances will I take the slander that I'm not the best Minecraft player. Well, Technoblade is better than me, but he doesn't count. He's dead. I should not say that. That's gonna get me fucking slaughtered by the Minecraft community. You know, if I was actually important, but I'm not right now.
It was at this point that I got lost on my search for cotton, which would end up proving fruitless, but here's some highlights from me wandering around aimlessly.
We're gonna not question it. What the fuck was that? Ah, the trumpet skeleton gets our hands! I was not expecting a skeleton to play the trumpet at me. That was something. I know you can make biomass with it. How do I get it? Are there even sheep? That is a squid over there. Maybe I don't need to strain it out. Maybe I can just murder this man right here in his sleep. All that search for cotton just for me to stab some guy in his sleep. Well, that was a lot. What the fuck was that? That's a shark? Fuck off. Fuck off. I'm getting mauled by a shark. This is rather unpleasant. In fact, this is quite displeasing, if you ask me. It's gonna be a short stream, maybe like an hour, maybe an hour and a half, depending on how fast I can get this TP, which shouldn't take too long, by the looks of it. I've got my ink sac and shit already. I just need brown dye, which I don't reckon will be that hard with the number of flowers fucking lying everywhere. Yeah. But I'm a bit eepy. Oh yeah, I can mix colors. I can also grind. Brown turkey tail. We've seen that before. Question is where? Toasty. I am absolutely roasting. I have to grind it on a grindstone. Why are they wearing, like, why are all of the zombies wearing full leather? Like, oh, that one's wearing full wool. Fuck me. Ow. That one's got a bone in his hand. He's got a boner. Certified boner. Oh god. I may want to vacate the premises rather swiftly. I don't think this is going very well in my favor. That skeleton's got a trombone. And a trumpet. Fuck, I keep saying trombone when I mean trumpet. That's weird. My audio should be 3D, but it isn't. More pants! Can I, combine pants to make better pants? Let's go! We've got slightly more efficient pants. A lot of rotten flesh. Graveyard soil, congealed rotten flesh. And dry it in a monster jerky! Oh, and we have a Tinker's Construct. Oh, Tinker's Compliment. I can melt it in tallow. What do you use tallow for? Fuck if I know, but I can do that. That is the most terrifying. What the fuck? I don't want to be here. I don't want to be here. I don't want to deal with it. I feel like that skeleton just gave me a fucking pushback, and I don't want to. I just don't want to deal with it. That's not my problem. I'm going home. I have a chest plate in my fucking hotbar. Remember, kids, you gotta eat a raw meat only diet. You understand me? Raw meat is the only way to live. It gives you plenty. I need a grindstone, I believe. I need stone. This may take longer than I had first imagined. I believe I can make a campfire. Or a fire pit. 3 rocks, twine, and stick. Okay, well, I have 2 rocks. I'm sure I can find another one. Rock number 3. Do, do, do. I can't really mass craft, which could pose a problem in the future if I don't get like a better alternative. Caveman, make campfire. Okay, and then I believe I need to. Maybe I need to like put fuel in it. Is it burning? Do I need to make another fire stick? You know, we're just gonna assume that that's on fire. And then I need andesite. Which is exactly what I have. How perfect. Okay. Caveman need rocks. My crafting rock is running out of durability. I wonder what happens when that fucking breaks. What will caveman craft with if no rock? Hmm. I think I ran out of fuel. Let's try this again. Oh yeah, it looks like the fire. Do do. And then make fire.